Rolling update deployment strategy in Kubernetes. So when you create the deployment without specifying the strategy in YAML, Kubernetes automatically uses the rolling update. Suppose consider this simple example. So I'll show you the demo with the step-by-step tutorial here. So I'll create a, so this is the deployment YAML file. So kind is deployment application apps v1, that is API version. So minimal nginx deployment, I'm giving the name, and two replicas with the, so nginx image version is 1.14. If you have any doubts, you can refer other short videos on my YouTube channel Code with Chandra, so you will get a complete idea. So this is my file and I'm using the 1.14 version nginx. So try to execute this. I'm not using any strategy here. Okay, deployment strategy rolling update, we'll see that. Save it and try to execute. Kubectl create -f deploy.yml. So deployment apps minimal nginx was created. Now step 2, try to get those kubectl get pods first. So minimal nginx is 1 and it is yet to create, and wait for a second and try to get the deployments as well. Kubectl get deploy. So 2x2 is not ready yet and we will wait for a second. So once it is ready, we will try to trigger the rolling. So 1 by 1 is running. Now you can try to get the deployments as well. 2x2 is ready. Okay, now we will move on to clear this. Kubectl describe get okay deploy, right? Instead of that, use pods. Now describe this, describe pod minimal nginx. अरे क्या करेंगे, kubectl is typo here. So now here we can see this, what is the default strategy. nginx image 1.14, here minimal nginx, running label start time and IP. Okay, now we can try to describe kubectl describe deploy. Before that we need to get those values, right? Clear get deploy. This is a vast case here. Okay, kubectl describe deploy and use this minimal nginx. There is some network issue here, wait a second. Again kubectl issue. So here we can see this default strategy type rolling update, right? So we are not specifying any strategy in the deployment YAML file, so it was created here. Now we will move on to the next step, that is trigger the rolling update. We will try to edit this deployment. Kubectl edit deploy. What is the name of the deployment file? Minimal nginx, right? Okay, now this is the file. Here we need to use image version. Which version of the image? 1.14 is there, right? Here we can see this image version 1.14 here. Now we can use this, instead of this 1.4 we can use 2.1. so try to update it. So it was edited now. Okay, Now you can by default it was applied to that because I used the kubectl edit command, so no need to manual application, I mean manually don't need to apply it. Now we can see this rolling update by using the rollout status kubectl rollout status deploy minimal deploy. Okay, minimal nginx. What is this name of that deployment file? Can copy from there so you don't miss it. Minimal nginx. You can see this rollout waiting for the deployment. Minimal nginx rollout to the finished one out of 2 replicas have been updated. It means it has to be updated one already and wait in some time it will update one more also. Now verify the update succeeded or not. Try to get this and you can try to cancel this operation. Now kubectl get pods. See this, it is trying to update. So gradually it will replaces the old parts with the new one with zero downtime, that is the rolling update.